pinagdadaanan sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa love life mo, para kang time bomb. Hayaan mong ipakita ko sa iyo ang iyong full potential.
Very refreshing breath of fresh air, I would say. And this is a project and a role that I'm sure I will never forget kasi ang daming magagandang memories and experiences na first time ko ditong na naranasan talaga. Tsaka I would say, pagmamayabang ko na, mas naging close kami ng isang Miss Eugene Domingo sa pelikulang ito. Oh, kasi di ba sinasabi nila never meet your heroes, pero I'm here to prove you wrong.
Oh, wow! Gusto mo magsalita ako.
Hindi!
Okay. First of all, it's a kontrabida role, but I love it that it's funny. It's funny and also it's very timely because may mga pinag-uusapan na dalawang universe and we like that. We like to explore what if situations. And also because gagantihan ko lang yung sinabi ni Barbie. I am so honored and inspired to work with someone like her, you know, that you feel is as serious as you in accepting really challenging roles. So it's not only a breath of fresh air, but it's really something that gives you an assurance that, you know, this business is in good hands.
Don't mistake courage with doing the wrong thing. If you want to be a kontrabida, make sure na tama ka pa rin, kaya ka magko-kontrabida. Hindi yung kukontrabida ka lang para dumagdag sa mga salot sa mundong to. Siguraduhin mong tama ka pa rin at nasa mabuti kang puso pag ikaw ay naging kontrabida. Ganon. Feeling ko, it's really the impact and the power that a kontrabida, a protagonist brings in to the table. Kasi parang masyado magiging plateau if it's all just, good things, diba? I mean, I feel like kontrabida really gives color to the story. May thrill, may conflict, may ganyan, may suspense, ganyan. Para maging exciting yung kabuuan ng story, I feel like. Kayo po ba, madam? Sa inyo kasi yung tanong eh.
Hindi naman pwedeng bida kayo lahat, di ba?
Tama!
Oo. So, walang ganun. Oo. I mean, isipin mo. Di ba?
Oo, naisip ko po. Okay na.
Ayaw mo na sa akin?
Well, this is brought to you by Netflix and it's showing worldwide. So aside from the fact na this is made by Filipino and produced by Filipino, I think I'm talking about the industry, not only of the beautiful story. We can make it, globally. I mean, this is the time that we show this kind of product to the world. So, thank you.
Ako naman, I feel like this film will forever be timely and relevant. Kasi, talagang humugot kami talaga sa classic and yung mga iconic kontrabidas natin na never maluluma. Yun lagi ang magiging core natin tayong mga Pilipino, di ba? Yung exaggeration, di ba? Yung depth of being a kontrabida, it will always be there. Kaya generations after generations makaka-relate dito sa pelikulang ito.